Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert RGB to CMYK in Affinity Designer. This is essential when preparing your designs for professional printing, as most print shops require files in CMYK color mode to ensure accurate color reproduction. The reason this conversion is important is because digital screens and printers use different color systems. RGB is designed for displays like monitors, phones, and tablets, while CMYK is designed for physical printing using ink. Converting your document before sending it to a printer helps you get a better idea of how your final printed design will look. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new one to work with. The conversion process works the same, regardless of which option you choose. Before converting, make sure your document contains all the elements you need and that your design is ready for printing. Changing the color format affects the entire document, so it is usually best to make this adjustment before exporting your final print file. Now let's move to the conversion itself. Look at the upper left toolbar where you'll find the document menu. Click on Document, and from the drop-down that appears, select Setup. This will open a new window where you can access various document configuration options. Within this window, click on Document Setup to proceed to the main settings panel. In the Document Setup window, you'll need to locate the Color Format section. This is where you'll make the actual conversion from RGB to CMYK. Once you've found it, look to the bottom of this section where you'll see a drop-down menu right beside the Color Format option. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal the available color space options. From the drop-down menu, select CMYK/8. This sets your document to use the CMYK color space with 8 bits color depth, which is the standard format for print production. Using CMYK/8 is commonly recommended because it provides the 4-color printing setup used by many professional printers. This includes cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, which are combined to create the colors used in printed materials. After making this selection, click OK to apply the changes to your document. It's important to note that some bright RGB colors may appear duller in CMYK because the CMYK gamut is smaller. This is completely normal and happens because CMYK has a more limited range of colors compared to RGB. The vibrant colors you see on screen in RGB mode simply can't always be reproduced using the 4 CMYK ink colors used in printing. For example, very bright neon colors or extremely vivid blues and greens may look different after conversion because those colors are easier to display digitally than they are to recreate with physical ink. If you notice certain colors looking less vivid after conversion, this is why. And it's actually showing you a more accurate representation of how your design will look when printed. A helpful tip is to always check your colors after converting to CMYK and make any necessary adjustments. This allows you to fine-tune your design and avoid unexpected color changes when the final product is printed. Your document is now converted to CMYK and ready for professional printing. You can now export your design using the appropriate print settings and send it to your print provider with confidence that your document is using the correct color format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.